What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Jared here from iDigi Affiliate. And today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets and possibly ChatGPT as well. I don't know if we're going to use it or not yet. We're going to figure that out. Alright guys, so the reason we promote $25 business is essentially because this affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. So even if you don't use this method to promote it, promote this product, because the affiliate program is 80% recurring income. You heard me correctly, 80% recurring income. You get paid 80% of absolutely anything you sell in this program, guys. Absolutely fantastic. So if you guys are interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, what we're gonna do is look at our results here. Looks like we did get a sale yesterday. All right, sales starting to start coming in now. But we're gonna refresh the page to make sure it is indeed sales. I don't want to trick you guys. Make sure you guys can see that. Boom. All right, I did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Fantastic. All right guys, so the first thing we need to do is get you your links. That's the first thing we need to do. But before we do that, let me show you the link that I'm using in particular. I've tried a few of these links. This is the one that works for me. All right, I'm not saying the other links don't work. I'm saying this is the one I found to work the best for me. This is the one that getting me sales, right? So anyway guys, we got to get you your links. You go to my description in my video that you're watching right now. My description, you're gonna see step 1 and step 2. Click on step 1 here. When you click on the step 1 link, it's gonna take you to this page here. Now this page is basically like the sales letter for the $25 business. Talks about what it is, what it does, how much money it makes, stuff like that, right? Essentially it's a funnel builder for $25 a month. If you guys are interested in that, it's actually a good product. It's a really good product, but the main reason we're promoting it is because it's affiliate program. This affiliate program is just too enticing not to promote this product. If you're an affiliate marketer, promote this product, man. It's just worth it. All right, so yeah, you can make $20 and $100 monthly commission, meaning that you can get $120 off of one person every single month. Pretty fantastic. With the other product here, essentially is training, but I'm gonna show you that in a minute. All right, so hey, you read this over, you want to try this out, so you just click on yes, I want in. You gotta get you your links. All right, so now you just put in your basic information, blah blah blah, get the product, funnel builder, and boom, got the product. Right, the one thing I want to clarify here, use my link here, and get HBA Premium. Now that's the other product I was talking about. That's you get $100 for. You can get it for free for 2 weeks. Now what this is essentially, it's just training on a bunch of websites on how to promote this product and start getting a ton of sales. I haven't used it. I've never used the training because I'm using this as a method to show you like the easiest thing to do. Testing my lead gen secrets here. So I'll always stay away from the training, using the training, so to speak. But I've looked through it, but I haven't used it personally for this product because it's more like an experiment for me on this channel than anything. So I just want to try stuff out. So yeah, but the training does work, guys. Teaching you how to set up an ad, Facebook ads, solo ads, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, how to promote on every product. You know what I mean? Kind of give you examples on what to do. Like they got examples on podcasting, what they talk about, stuff like that. They got examples on blogging, how to write articles. You can use ChatGPT for that too. So yeah, he also got a AI content creation machine. Fantastic. Use that as well to help you write articles and stuff. Now what is dope about this is that this information is updated constantly. If you ever bought a course on how to make money before, the information in the course, it slowly but quickly can go outdated, stop working all of a sudden. And most people don't really, when you buy the course, you don't really make your money back by the time it's useless. That happens. And that's why I don't ever buy a course if it's not constantly updated, guys. So this is constantly updated. Now the coolest thing about this though is when you get it for free for 2 weeks, guys, you can make $100 off of it anyway. You could promote HBA Premium, and if you get a sale, you'll keep that $100. It's fantastic. So yeah, I think that's a really good way to kind of keep people in the system, giving them a head start on how to do this thing. So yeah, you don't even technically own the product yet, but you can make sales off of it, which is fantastic. So yeah, man, just give this a shot, guys, and then complete order, get instant access, go through all the stuff and get your links. All right, very simple stuff. So once you get your links, guys, you need a way to promote it, and that's where my lead gen secrets come in. So just go to my description and you're gonna see my step 2 there. It's gonna say my lead gen secrets. You're gonna click on that link, it's gonna take you to this page. What is my lead gen secrets? Basically, you get 100 leads a day that you can email once per day. All right, guys, so that's what it is, that's what it's about. So we're gonna stick to that. So we're gonna go mailing system in like this. You're gonna click on it like that. So these leads are very cold leads, but they're interested in making money online. So just send these, click on the leads, and all you really need to do is send an email. But what we're gonna do here, we're gonna use one of my old here, one of the emails that I've written. They seem to be working, so we're gonna stick to them. These are emails that I wrote a long time ago, and for a whole different product, a completely different product than $25 business. I kind of changed some stuff around to make it useful for the $25 business. I think these work really well, even better than anything else, honestly. Anyway, we're just gonna keep on moving. Right, so this the title. Let's build monthly income. Copy. And all I really did for each email is just change some words around here and there, just push them out. Stuff. Gonna go down here. Copy. Boom. So we're gonna paste that in real quick. Uh-oh. Messed up. Meant to hit paste, not copy. My bad. That. Copy. That. And not having my picture seem to be working as well, so we're gonna stick to that. What we're gonna do here. Oh, this. That's pretty good. That looks pretty good. So we're gonna stick to that. Looks pretty good, like a good email. We're gonna hit perfect timing. That's gonna send an email around time people check emails. We're gonna hit preview here, and we're gonna just look at it. Let's build your monthly income. Blah blah blah. Right. Now the main reason we want to preview the video is preview the email. I'm sorry. We just want to make sure our link works. But if your link doesn't work, you can't get sales, and my link does work. Okay. Now the next reason we want to preview it though, guys, is for you to get a chance to copy the email. I want you guys to be able to get a chance to copy the email. So I'm just going to show it like that. You can pause the video, copy the email if you're interested. And we're just going to show the whole email and make sure you. All right, so that's all there is to that. Now I talk about perfect timing. Perfect timing, just in case I didn't talk about it, perfect timing sends the email around time people check email. So for example, if you get an email around 8 o'clock, you check your emails around 8 o'clock, you'll get my emails around 8 o'clock as well. So it'll show up on top of the list. Better chance of them checking it out. All right, so we're gonna just send the email. We done. That's it. That's the email. That's all you gotta do every single day, guys. Works out really well. Glad I found my lead gen secrets and found a way to promote it for you guys to make you guys some money. All right. Now, if you want the more, this is the easiest way to make money online, because once you get your emails in here, all you gotta do, come in here, pick an email, send it. That's all you really need to do. But one thing that I want you guys to note, that this is the easiest way to make money. All right, guys, understand? So, for example, if you want a more efficient way to make money online, I think what works real good right now, it's more effort. It's a lot more effort, but which works right now is TikTok. Shorts on TikTok, Reels on Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, short videos. Most of those 3 websites there in particular, those are the ones that got a better chance of going viral. So those are the ones that worth your time. To post on those 3 and just keep posting. Eventually, you'll get some traffic and start moving units. And once you go viral, you got your link set up right, you'll never have to worry about money again. All right, guys, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell. I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.